Ana 30 baria bari na mawathe mwanya mwanya na bakaraga gikarone kia JOMO KENYATTA Children's Home kiria kirungamiri ni gikundi kia mutharaba JOMO tunene kiumbite kuguna na utethio bwa into mwanya mwanya. Pedro bakigunika utethio bubu bwa into atairio bwezanitie na gikundi kia engineers ba Kenya.
Ciana 30 iria ire mawathe ngurani thiini wa muci wa ciana wa JOMO KENYATTA uria wi thiini wa tauni ya Embu ni magunikite na irio mithemba ngurani undu umwe na indo cingi cia utheru kuma kuri ruvonge rwa Engineers Board of Kenya. Utethio uyu ukathi vandu vanene gutethia arutwo aya gukora na muturire mwega mari cukuru niguo mavote kuthi na mbere na mathomo mao.
We came and we spoke and we saw what they do, and so we picked this as our activity for this time that we're here, and even in future as we come back to Embu, we are going to adopt this home so that every time we come and do something here for them in whatever way that we can. My call would be that if they do have a way to impact young professionals, because they're different professionals. For us, we deal with engineers. Aside from giving them, the technical skills, they need to give them the softer side, the softer skills. Take them out of their comfort zone. Let them see how other people live, so that they are able to get that heart to serve society just beyond just doing what they are being trained to do.
Guku mwenegete wa sukuru eno na noe mwenegete wa ruvonge rwa Red Cross thiini wa kaunti ya Embu niwe Vima Chatha agicokagia ngatho ni undu wa utethio uyu.
Nashukuru sana community ya Kenya na Embu County na Kenya mazima, because this Engineer Board of Kenya represent whole Kenya. They are here and they are ready to assist us with these children. Because whatever I say, the service of humanity is worship of God. Sindio, whatever we can be able to give to the society, it come back. How it come back? In the form of blessings.
Na kivoyaga andu a wendi mwega gutethia sukuru eno wa vamwe na ruvonge ruru rwa Red Cross niguo mavote kuthii na mbere gutumikira mwingi.
Iko na watu wengi nasaidia sisi sana hapa. Iko KSG, county government, watu wengi nasaidia sisi nakuja hapa. Because Red Cross nafanya kazi na wananchi. Red Cross kila siku any disaster nakuja Kenya yetu. Kama nakuwa shida ya drought, kama shida ya flood, juicy, rain, nasaidia sana huko wananchi. Nenda huko Makima, nasaidia na chakula. Red Cross is the first institution to respond anywhere in this country. Sidio? So we are ready to serve as we receive this food.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbeta warita Mwaniki wa Musiri.